Oh, morning YouTube, it's Stack Smart here again. And yeah, today's an interesting day for the markets. I'm watching silver rally really well this morning off the falling wedges that I talked about the other day. And I've also done a quick reanalysis of my head and shoulder pattern this morning to check whether my draw was correct. One thing that I generally do quite a lot with the trading is just go back over my patterns and make sure that I've drawn them correctly, and if something hasn't happened, why it hasn't happened. So I've done a quick redraw on the head and shoulders. It's possible that the shoulder line I took too low, and I'm not sure whether this is still going to resolve downwards. It's possible that it won't, but in essence, if I take the headline at 17.3 but take the shoulder line at 16.5, that gives us a 15.7 target. So that's possibly what happened with that particular head and shoulder pattern. The more I do trading, the more I do redraws and the more educated I get on it. One thing to note about these videos is I would never suggest that anybody takes investment advice from just off these videos. The only thing I'm trying to get us to realise with this is that sometimes it's best to buy when the market is low. I bought some silver when it was down 15.8 or something. I bought 5 ounces then, but it's not a tool for investing in. So there have been some comments on my videos to say, just chuck darts at a dartboard and take your pick. Really, I don't think it's quite as clear cut as that. Particularly, for example, in this falling wedge scenario, it looked to me as if there would be a rally, and there is. So sometimes you're right and sometimes the manipulators take it away from you, but all I'm trying to do with this is show you some technical analysis and show you some of the results of it. So yeah, so in essence we did get the falling wedge and the rally off that falling wedge, so very satisfying in this particular area. I've had a few guys just saying thanks a lot for the analysis, keep doing it, and I feel like it's something that I enjoy doing, so I'm just going to crack on with it. And I won't always get it right, but it's just interesting. So that's kind of the analysis for today. Normally when silver begins to rally like this, it can rally for a few days. As you can see here, it did the same off this low, off 14.2 or something, and it rallied for 3 or 4 days to $17. So it wouldn't surprise me if we take out the possible target of 17.8 with this rally, but there is quite strong resistance here at the headline at 17.3, so it's difficult to say. But yeah, I'm really hoping that this year silver starts making its moves to the upside and starts making us a bit of money as far as the silver price goes. And I'm quite excited about this little rally. I'm not quite sure how long it will sustain for, but normally when they start going up like this, it's given free rein to go up a few dollars. So quite exciting day today for the silver. The other thing I wanted to open a discussion on is these Mother Teresa silver Thalers. I don't really see many of these in the stacking community or in any of the stacking videos, but 24carat.co.uk has had a number of these in for a while, and these particular Austrian coins always have 1780 printed on them, even though they were minted far after that. It looks like it lost its status as legal tender in Austria in 1858, but continues to be printed. So what do you know about them? I'd definitely recommend you check out this 24carat.co.uk narrative on it, because it's very interesting. It talks about Maria Theresa, the Empress, and her marriage, and the actual 1780 coins. And yeah, I've seen them in person, and they're very pretty coins. They're just under an ounce of silver. Silver content's 833 out of 1,000, and it's got 166 out of 1,000 copper contents, 28 grams. But they are quite large coins, although they're quite thin. So they're doing them in 24 carat charred for £12.65 for one. But when you see them, they're very lovely, shiny coins. I might try and get a picture of one of them in its full glory, but it looks like she was quite a buxom woman, doesn't it, Maria Theresa? Maybe in them days they valued a bit more buxom, voluptuous type stuff, but I think she looks like she was quite a formidable empress. So not my cup of tea as far as going out with anybody, let's put it that way. So anyway, I hope that helps today. It's quite interesting to look at something a bit different, isn't it? I think we're going to see a continued rally for at least today, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Thanks for checking out the video, and being involved in the community. Let's build each other up, let's build community, let's help all the other stackers. If you need any help from me, or you want to message me, or you want any answers from me, or you want anything doing on this channel, then please comment below and tell me what you think. Thanks for looking after me over the last few days, and let's stack smart together, let's invest smart together, let's build each other up. So please like, subscribe and comment on the channel, and yeah, thanks for joining us, and yeah, I hope you found Maria Theresa to be a very attractive woman. So speak soon. I'll let you know next couple of days what's occurring. Bye for now.